Hello students, today we will learn about alphabets. Okay, how you will find that what will the first letter of any word? How you will find? You will find by the starting sound. Okay, so look here, what is this? This is apple. On the starting sound is O. So for the starting sound O, we will use the letter A. This is the letter A. A apple. Okay. Here is just capital A and here is a small a. Capital A, small a. Okay. Now come to next. What is this? This is a ball. And the starting sound is B. And for the B sound, we use the letter B. And here is the capital B. Here is capital B and here is a small b. So this is B ball. B ball. Come to the next. What is this? This is a car. Car. What is the sound? Sound is K. K. For K sound, we use the letter C. This is the capital C and here is a small c. C ko car. C ko car. Come to the next. Look at the picture and tell me what is this? This is duck. What is the starting sound? D. For the D sound, we use the letter D. D to duck. Here is a capital D and here is a small d. Okay, D to duck. Okay, come to the next. Okay, tell me what is this? Egg. Egg. And the starting sound is O. So, for the starting sound O, we use the letter E. E, O, egg. Here is a capital E and here I have made a small e. Okay. So, come to the next. Look here, what is this? This is a fish. This is a fish. And the starting sound is F. For F sound, we use a letter that is F. F for fish. And here is a capital F and here is a small f. Okay, students? F for fish. Okay, come to the next. What are these? Yes, these are grapes. Grapes. What is the sound? G. Starting sound is G. And for the G sound, we use the letter G. G, grapes. Here is capital G and here is a small g. Okay. And come to the next. And the next one is hat. Hat. Her sound. Beginning sound is her. For the H sound, we use a letter that is H. 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 Her hat. H. Her hat. Here is capital H and here is a small h. Now come to the next. And next one is, yes, this is your favorite thing, that is ice cream. Ice cream. What is the sound? The starting sound is ice. I. Okay. So we will use the letter I. Ice cream. Okay. Here is a capital I and here is a small I. Okay, come to the next. What is this? This is jug. Jug. And what is the beginning sound? Beginning sound is j. And for the j, we use the letter j. J, j, jug. J, j, jug. Here is a capital J and here is a small j. J, j, jug. Okay, come to the next. Kite. Kite. What is the beginning sound? K. And for K sound, we use the letter K. K, K, kite. K, K, kite. Here is capital K and here is a small k. Come to the next. Lotus. Lotus. What is the beginning sound? L. And for the L sound, we use a letter that is L. L, lotus. L, lotus. Here is capital L and here is a small l. Okay, students, got it? L, lotus. Okay, come to the next. Have a look here. This is mango. Mango. What the starting sound? Starting sound is ma. And for ma, we use the letter M. M, mango. M, mango. And this is the capital M and here is a small m. Okay, come to the next. The next one is nest. Nest. No. The starting sound is no. For the n sound, we use the letter N. N, nest. N, nest. Here is a capital N and here is a small n. Okay, students. Now come to the next. O. O, orange. O, orange. In orange, you have find that the beginning sound is O. Okay, here is a capital O and here is a small o. Okay, students. O, orange. O, orange. And the next one is pencil. Pencil. P. Wherever you find the P sound, then we use the letter P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Here is capital P and here is a small p. Okay, come on the next. Qua. Queen. Queen. And the sound is qua. So, this is the letter Q that is used for the sound qua. Okay, queen. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Here is capital Q and here is a small q. Okay, come on the next. Rose. Rose. What is the beginning sound? Beginning sound is R. Beginning sound is R. So, we use the letter R for the beginning sound R. We use the letter R. R, rose. R, rose. Here is capital R and here is small r. Okay. Come on the next. Next one is sun. Sun. And what is the beginning sound? S. For the S sound, we use the letter S. S, sun. S, sun. And here is capital S and here I have make a small s. What is the next? Next one is tomato. Tomato. And the beginning sound is T. For the T sound, we use the letter T. So, we will learn it. T-to, tomato. T-to, tomato. Here is capital T and here is a small t. Okay, come on the next. What is the next one? umbrella, umbrella. And the sound is O. Beginning sound is O. So we will use the letter U. U a umbrella. U a umbrella. Here is capital U and here is a small u. Okay, come on the next. And the next one is van. This is a van. And what is the beginning sound? Beginning sound is V. So we will use the letter V. We were van. We were van. Here is a capital V and here is a small v. Come on the next. What is this? This is a watch. Watch. And what is the beginning sound? Wo. So we use the letter W. W wo watch. W wo watch. This is the capital W and here is a small w. Okay students, come on the next. X. X. Then the sound is Kush. Okay. X max tree. X max tree. So we will use the X sound. We will use the letter X. X ko X max tree. X ko X max tree. Okay. So what is the next letter? Look at the picture. What is this? This is a yacht. Yacht. Okay. Yacht. And the sound is ya. What is the beginning sound? Ya. And for the beginning sound ya, we will use the letter Y. Y ya, yacht. Y ya, yacht. And here is a capital Y and here is a small y. Okay students. Now come on the next. This is our last letter. So what is this? Jeep. This is a jeep. And the sound is J. So we will use the letter Z. Z, jeep. Z, jeep. Here is capital Z and here is a small z. Okay. This is all about our alphabets from A to Z. Our alphabets are 26. Okay. So learn them and have a nice day. Bye bye.